Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the CEO for a boutique agency called CourseCREEK, and we help companies all over the world do many things with their courses and platforms, but in particular, we're really good at migration. How easy is it to migrate from one learning management system to another? Well, I'll just tell you, it's not. It's very difficult. And if you're migrating both content and data, because you have an established business with customers in it, it's going to be that much more difficult, complex, and gnarly. Fortunately, CourseCREEK really stepped up and decided about 3 years ago that we were going to be the industry's leader in migrating the LMS system from an old system to a new system. All right, so we built the SOPs for this. If you do have a need to migrate from one platform to another, we can not only help you choose the right platform to migrate to, but got it all buttoned up. Contact us.